Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. So this is part 2 of the process video that I'm making for a new printable that is coming out on Monday by Faithheirlooms called Heaven Declare. And if you are not a fan of heirloom, or if you don't know what Faith Heirloom is, make sure you check out their link below in the description box. And you can find all types of Bible journaling printables, die cuts. Just make sure if you want to purchase anything, you can use code Eliza15 to buy anything in the store, 15% off. I mean, they have some really great items. I think this is actually one out of all of them. This is probably one of my favorite kits too, but I think it is so cute. So you just see me here kind of getting out some things that I'm going to use, like the foam tape and that's Gina K dot roller. So what I'm doing now is I'm just blending. I'm trying to blend the elements that I'm going to use with the blending tool. I'm using Chip Sapphire. This is from my video from part 1. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. And I'm just kind of blending the white in so that it actually blends into the galaxy. And I'm going to do that for all the elements that I'm using because I just thought it was just way too much white. So I'm just going to try to blend the edges so that it doesn't take away from the galaxy background. Kind of struggling here, trying to find like where I should place the pieces. So that's why I'm kind of like, what fits with what? I know that I wanted to find something that fits on top of this galaxy piece that actually came with the printable. So I was just trying to find like the correct placement for it. And the reason why I'm using the foam tape, as I said in some of my previous videos, I love dimension. And I don't like things to look really flat. So I thought it would have been really cool for me to just use foam tape on this one to give it a little bit of dimension so it doesn't look so flat on the galaxy. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, definitely comment, share it, subscribe to my page. And if you want to see more content, make sure you keep coming back. And if there's something in particular that you want to see, make sure you let me know in the description box. Thanks for watching.